Hello and welcome! Let's go back in time to Rainbow Brite Land. Let's make the Queen Bee's shoes today. Grab your retro supplies. Use a small circle cutter. I'm using this old eyebrow pencil cap. And grab a small container of water. Dip your circular cutter into the water. This is to keep it from sticking to the clay. Cut out 2 small circles. Oop, slippery hands, lost my cutter. Gently push in the sides using the back of your fingernails. Smooth it out and flip it over, and then repeat with the back side. Repeat with the second circle. On the bottom of one of the red circles, make lines or dashes. Roll out your yellow clay and then cut off 4 equal sections. Cut 2 of those pieces in half. And then the other 2 into thirds. On the opposite side of the red clay, where we made the hash marks, place 3 of the large yellow pieces on the front. And then 4 on the back. Thank you for tuning into this video. I appreciate the view. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, welcome. If not, welcome back. Please check out my channel, I do have lots of videos. Or you could hit that subscribe button and be notified whenever I do make a new video. Place the other piece of red clay on top, and then gently push down on the back side where the 4 pieces of yellow clay are. Roll out your purple, blue, and green clay, and then cut off 1 equal length section piece of each. And then roll out your white clay and cut off a piece slightly larger than the others you just cut. Roll each color into a ball and then flatten it between your fingers. Stack your purple, blue, and green colors on top of each other. And lightly press them together. Place these on the back side of the boot. Then take the white piece of clay and place it on top. Use a bead to press down in the middle of the clay to push all the pieces together. Use a texturing brush and texture just the white part of the clay. Roll out a very thin piece of yellow clay and then cut off a small piece. Place this across the top of the red clay. Oops, runaway clay. Just go ahead and pick that back up. Try that again. There we go. Cut off any excess clay. Take a very thin piece of yellow clay and cut it in half. And then cross them over each other. Take another thin piece of clay and then place it between one of the crossed over pieces. Use your needle tool to define each of the sections. Place your star on top of the boot. Pre-poke your eye hook hole and add in the eye hook. Bake and resin your piece. Assemble your earrings however you wish. And these are them. Thanks for taking a journey with me back in time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!